This app works just like a recycle bin on your computer. When you have this app installed and running, and you delete a file, it will actually remember a shadow of that file, not a copy, a shadow, so that way your storage does not overflow. And then if you wanted to recover that file later, you can go to the recycle bin and recover it. So for example, it's the same as the recycle bin application here on your computer, right? It's the recycle bin. Anyways, let's go back to the actual app. Okay. So this phone right now is a LG G6 and it runs on Android 8. This also works on a Pixel 2 which runs on Android 10. And also I have my own personal phone which works with this. It's the Samsung S22 Ultra running on Android 12. And just in case you have a different model than these three that I use commonly, you can see all my test phones here. I have maybe like 10 test phones here, and then that's some Oculus stuff, and I have maybe like 20 more test phones. But remember, there are over 5,000 unique Android devices in the world, so there's also a chance that it just won't work for your device. If it doesn't, please message me. I would like to definitely look into that. So let's get started actually. To begin, we open the app, and we got my logo, and we are introduced to a screen here. Let's actually just start fresh. So you can see there's already an item here. I was testing earlier, so we're gonna actually just X to delete this item. So now we're fresh. So it says bin is currently empty. What that means is, just like on your computer, if you haven't deleted anything, your recycle bin is empty. So there's nothing in there. At this point, there's really not much to do. You can click this button up here, this little like square, to stop the bin. So if I click here, it'll say bin stopped down here, right? And if I click it again, it'll say bin started. And you also notice there was a notification up there. I'll talk about that later. But basically, now that we know the bin is started, let's do a test, right? So we're gonna close, minimize it, close it. We're gonna open the camera app. Let's just take a picture of like my test devices, right? So we took a picture of my test phone, and we're gonna delete it immediately. So let's just delete it. So when we delete it, there was another one there. Let's delete that one too. So now we deleted two pictures, right? Let's go look at our recycle bin. So there's only showing one because we might need to refresh. Sometimes you do need to refresh for multiple to show. There should be two now when we open this. Yep, there it is. We have the bin has picked up on the deletion for both of them. So you can open this, and again the I is to see the picture, the plus is to restore, and the X is to delete it. Let's just see what the first picture is. We're going to open with gallery. It was the initial picture, and what is the second picture? It's the picture we took together. Great. So let's delete the first one, so that will delete it. Delete, it's gone. And now let's restore the second one. So we do that, and now the bin is empty. And if we look at the file browser, we should see that there's only one file in there, and that file is the one that we restored, right? And let's just test it one more time. We're gonna delete this one too. So now we know there's no files in our camera and in the recovery bin. Okay, look, it's back. It tells you the date that's deleted. We press information, gallery. There it is. We can recover this again by recovering, and it should go right back to the camera again. See that? It's right back, and that's how it works. So my algorithm does not use extra space for your phone, because the algorithm I developed does not copy files. It does something else that I'm not going to go into detail because it's too technical. And also my algorithm is my app is very data friendly, safe, and your privacy is completely safe. In fact, you can turn your Wi-Fi off and run this. So watch, I've turned my Wi-Fi off. Now there's no data at all. This app will still work. So let's just really quickly take a look. I don't take your data. I don't push it to a server. All the app does is try to help you recover your files. You can still see this thing here. We can recover it, and it's probably back in the camera again. Yep, it's back. Delete it again, and we refresh the recycle bin. It should be back. yeah, and if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or write some comments. I will be sure to answer them. Yeah, let's delete it permanently now. So now it's gone forever. I believe now it should just be actually gone. Yeah, it's now gone forever. If we wanted to take another picture, we can. That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you keep your files safe. Bye.